Do you want to know if you have a good brain? Are you tired of bad brain your friends? Do you want to have fresh brain in a second?
We have the solution for you. It's a magic formula. We present you Easy Breath. Easy Breath is easy to use. You only put your lips in the mouthpiece and exhale. In a second, you will have the result how it's thinking to breathe.
Easy Breath will give you 3 reports. Good, you need to freshen your breath. You need to freshen and clean your mouth. Easy Breath will give you the exact dose in your mouth in a second.
You can get your Easy Breath delivered to your house in just 3 days by calling at phone number 2770091. By calling now.
You can get your breath freshened and cleaned by Easy Breath.